This is how to fix Roblox WASD keys not working. If your Roblox WASD keys aren't working, here's a quick troubleshooting guide. First, test key outside Roblox. Open Notepad and type WASD. If they don't work, your keyboard might be faulty or you have a system-wide setting like sticky keys on. Try FN plus W, common fix for gaming laptops or keyboard. If they do work, the issue is specific to Roblox. This is how you fix it. In-game settings, press ESC then settings. Ensure movement mode is keyboard or default. Press backslash. Sometimes this key resolves focuses issues. And also, restart Roblox. Close the client completely and reopen. And lastly, you can reinstall Roblox, uninstall the game, then download and reinstall it from the official website. And that's it. That's how you fix Roblox WASD keys not working.